Okay, so this video is about how to transfer Ether from one wallet to another. So I'm going to transfer Ether from the first wallet here, which has about 0.829 BNB to the GTG wallet. Okay, let's hop into the code. So first, we're going to open the terminal and let's let that load. It's pretty slow. Let's see. Okay, so first, you want to install the packages, and we're going to be using Ethers instead of Web3.js. We're going to use Ethers.js and .env so that I can import my private key. You know, so be sure not to put that in the code. It should be confidential actually. So let's go. So first you run npm install. You can just put I there and you write ethers space then .env, then you run it, but I've already installed all this, so I don't really need it. So let's go coding. So first I'll declare the variable ethers equals to require. This is a kind of import. I'm trying to import the libraries, the packages. Ethers out there. Then the next, I'm going to require .env. Okay, so I'm going to initialize that .env .config. Oh shit, made a typo there. .env .config. Okay, save that. All right, so this way I'm gonna do this now. Like I'm gonna import my private key from the .env file. So I'm using this package here to make that happen. So I'm going to declare my private key const private key. Let me see. Let me use this private key equals to process dot env dot private key. Okay, have that saved already. So now I'm declaring the RPC endpoint. You can actually use chain stack or inferior URL. You can get that equals. Let me see. Okay, I have that saved somewhere, so I'll just go copy that. This, uh, just paste that here. Okay, so I'm gonna create the instance right now, which is let me use web3 w3 equals to new ethers dot json rpc provider json rpc. Okay, using general rpc endpoint. Okay, what we've done now, we've created an instance of the Ethers.js, for the Web3 client. So So next, I would just want to make this straightforward. Let's use a function to write the function. Let's use a function transfer. I think that's gonna be pretty easy. So the function takes in an amount and then the wallet to the wallet you're going to send to, uh, and then let's wrap it inside a try block. Okay, so const let's see constant wallet. So here we're initializing our wallet for the transfer. This is the wallet we're actually transferring to from. So we're initializing the wallet right now uh, with the sorry, Mr. New test. Okay. Yeah, with the Web3 instance. So okay. Private key. It takes in the private key and then the Web3 instance. And what next? Okay, so now this is the transaction. We're gonna initialize the transaction here. So it takes in the two argument and the value I want to send. Okay. Let's format this because I'm gonna be inputting it in a tag which is like 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.2, stuff like that, and not in way. So let's convert this to way right now. Pass if that pass share process remind that to stream. Okay, so I hope I'm correct. I guess so. Alright, let's go. So what I think the okay. Now let me catch the error. Catch x x. Let's see. Console dot log transaction error. Uh, okay. So now let's complete the transaction. We've created a transaction object and now we're going to send the transaction wallet. This is actually pretty straightforward, more than Web3.js. It has actually made it quite simpler. So that's a transaction TX. Then so we can get the then transaction chat. Okay. I think I missed something. No, no, correct. Okay, so let's see console log. Okay, we're gonna put this check to be sure we transaction hash to be sure we made it go through. Okay, so transaction check. Okay, I think this correct. Transaction as hash. Let me see. I think yeah, hash. We have hash there. Okay, so this is it. Let's see if it runs correctly. Uh, transfer. 0.1, and then let me copy the address. Okay, this is the address. Copy this and let's input into this and run it. Node tutorial.js. Node tutorial. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we have an error here. Dot env. Okay, env.config is not defined. I think. Oh shit! I made an error. Transfer. Okay, that's a typo. Oh, I made a typo here. This dot env. I totally missed that. Absolutely. Sorry about that. So let's go again. Okay, let's see. Did it right? Oh shit. W3 is not defined. Okay, this a capital letter. Sorry about that again. Let's see. This is what it takes to be an engineer. You debug and make it work. Let's see. Okay. 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 So this was the error actually. I uh, okay. The process.env dot this was supposed to be private key, but I mistakenly saved the private key in the .env file. So this you gotta watch this actually because it's gonna give some errors if you try to access values you haven't actually assigned. So you gotta be careful about that. So this is supposed to be private key and not private key, but I'm gonna correct that for the next video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and you can always come over to learn about Web3, dApps, and other stuff, automation, and trading stuff. All right, guys, see ya.